Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable the OneDrive on your Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains of course the Windows 11, and if you are a Windows 10 user you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 for free and right now into your settings. You can even run the installation of Windows 10 on the background of your PC if you want to keep using your PC in the meanwhile. Of course, that will make your PC a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And of course, once the download or the installation is done, you will actually be asked to reboot or to restart your PC. And when you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10, but I promise when you get used to Windows 11, you will even like it much better and you will not need to do that. Of course, don't worry about upgrading from 10 to 11 because that will not delete any files or any apps into your PC. So you can do it without losing anything. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to disable OneDrive on the Windows 11. So what we would like to do is just go into your taskbar and right click on it. For you, you will have here three options. I'm having this because I have an extension in my PC, but for you, you will have sign-in options, task manager, and taskbar settings. Click at the task manager, make sure to click on it, and now we'll just make it bigger. Go to the start apps, which is the fourth option here on the left. Of course, if we count this, it is the fifth option. Once you click on it, you will find all the apps that opens when you open your PC with. So of course, now you would like to click at any of them if you have a lot, and just simply type OneDrive, and that should take you directly into it. If you have it enabled, just right click on it and click at disable. If you have it disabled, that will be great, but of course, if you have it enabled as you said, you can right click and disable it, or just let's click then click at disable right here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.